Alright, I've got a 52-inch Hustler Raptor here. Runs and operates great. It's got a fabricated deck. It's reinforced out here along the side. Follow it all the way around. You'll see the seat's not all cracked up or anything like that. It's got a 24 horsepower Kohler motor on it. Runs great, doesn't smoke or have any problems. Deck operates smoothly. No hour meter on this unit. I'll start it up for you and show you how she operates. Your deck height adjustments right here. I'll go ahead and drop that to a decent height for mowing. Got some taller grass right over here. This has an automatic choke, so let's fire it right up. No smoke, real smooth running motor. I'll rev it up for you. Blades. Got nice high blade tip speed. Let's do some cut. You can see that the sun's setting on me a little bit, but it's a nice clean cut. Cuts even, deck's not doing anything weird. Everything works properly on this mower. It's a little bit faster than a homeowner mower. It's a little bit heavier duty also.